SelSus stands for Health Monitoring and Lifelong Capability Management for Self-Sustaining Manufacturing System, with the aim to reduce costs, increase OEE, but even more important, to increase production reliability. 15 partners from 6 countries approved the applicability of this solution on component, the system and the line level.
SelSus project for us was important to understand and to learn about asset utilization, because implementing SelSus in the press shop, in particular in our press line, up to now we are able to know exactly more about asset utilization, about predictive maintenance, and also we are able in real time to display the performance of the equipment.
Poor quality results in disruption on the production line, test failures, rework actions having to be done on engines, and ultimately this leads to ongoing costs for Ford, as well as possible quality issues in vehicles in the future. So the aim of SelSus is to address the root cause of these problems, which is the issues that develop here in the doser. So SelSus has added a number of sensors to these machines, such as these hydraulic sensors here, temperature sensors inside the working area, and these are monitoring the characteristics that the machine is showing throughout its cycles and looking for trends that are signs of deterioration. All of this data is uploaded to the cloud-based system.
In case of Harms-Wende, the main market is the automotive industry. In this automotive industry, it's very important to reduce the downtime, because each downtime costs a high amount of money. For this, we developed here an algorithm to reduce this with the limping home mode.
This limping home mode, the data which are provided by Harms-Wende via the cloud services, we can use as IMF Werner to reduce the dynamics of our linear axis and therewith prolong the overall lifetime and reduce maintenance and therewith costs as well.
So equipment health is very important for us. The SelSus Demonstrator is one of our flagship demonstrators in that area. And some of the things that it does for industry is it enables them to spend less time in non-value-added activities, for example, investigation of failures. By providing more information, it means that the operators can perform their tasks and activities quickly.
Here we have our SelSus demonstrator cell. It is a self-monitoring device that can self-heal from a catastrophic event such as a collision. So this is the collision that is programmed in. From here you can see that the springs have retracted, and this is now doing a pressure test to make sure that it has fixed itself correctly.